Good day, everyone. Welcome you all to this flight from Smyrna in Tennessee to Bowling Green, Kentucky. We'll be flying in the Cessna 172R, which is made by A2A Simulations for Flight Simulator X. And our flight today will be an IFR flight, as the conditions at Smyrna is IFR and the conditions at Bowling Green is marginally VFR. So we'll be flying an IFR flight plan. We'll be in contact with Memphis Center, ATC, on VATSIM throughout the flight. And we'll be flying at 5,000 feet. The weather at Smyrna Airport is winds 280 at 4 knots, 1 mile visibility with rain. Broken clouds at 500 feet, overcast 1100. And weather at Bowling Green is a bit better.
And, you got your
Calm
clearance.
winds,
Ready for
10
taxi?
miles visibility and overcast clouds at 900 feet. We have already done our pre-flights and got IFR clearance from Memphis Center, and we're taxiing towards runway 32. And on departure, we will be instructed to maintain runway heading. And I hope you enjoy the flight.
All right, plan on 2 right for departure and call ready for taxi.
I will let you know when ready to taxi.
Cessna 67 Romeo, the winds are 280 at 4. Flight runway heading, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Okay, for takeoff, runway 32, fly runway heading is Cessna 5764. Okay, we already have a takeoff clearance. Now we'll just line up runway 32, flaps 10, full power, and we'll go fly runway heading and wait for ATC instructions.
Cessna 67 Romeo, let the radar contact, climb and maintain 5,000 and clear direct Bowling Green. Number 67 Romeo, the weather at Bowling Green is the wind calm, visibility 10, ceiling at 900, overcast, at altimeter 2902. Are you going to want an approach over there?
Yeah, affirmative, Cessna, affirmative.
Number 67 Romeo, Roger, you can descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 3000, and just let me know what approach you want.
Yeah, Roger, send a passenger, send Romeo, will call you back with the Okay, we reached our cruising altitude of 5,000 feet and we're slowly leveling off, adjusting the trim. And we already have ATC clearance to descend to 3,000 feet because our destination is not so far from here. And actually, I'm still trying to find the destination because the VOR at Bowling Green, the needles are not turning. I think it's because we are at a low altitude. And soon I'll be trying the NDB. We started our descent into Bowling Green. That's the I-65 going from Nashville to Bowling Green. Right over there ahead of us. We'll be landing in runway 03. We intend to do an ILS approach to runway 03.
Number 67 Romeo, maintain 2,500 until established. You're cleared ILS. Runway 3 approach.
2,500 until established, cleared ILS runway 04 approach, Cessna 67 Romeo. We're just tuning the ILS frequency here on NAV1 radio. The ILS is 108.75, and yep, there it is. ILS is alive. Localizer alive. We're making a turn to intercept the localizer. There it is on way in sight. So we have stopped talking with Memphis Center now, as they have told us to monitor Unicom. So we are now on the CTA frequency of 123.00. We'll be approaching our intentions to land, and then once we're on the ground, we'll call up Memphis Center and ask them to cancel the IFR. We'll be doing a full flap 30 landing. Bowling Green traffic, Cessna November 5767 Romeo on ILS approach runway 03. I love the color of these trees. Nothing says fall more than the brown and the yellow. That's 2 touchdowns for the price of 1. So we are now taxiing towards FBO, and it looks like there are a few people waiting for our arrival. And that's about it. That's the end of this video, and I hope you like the video. Please click the like button and do leave your comments below. Any mistakes of mine, if you have spotted any, and things where I could improve myself, my flying. So I hope to come out with another video soon, and stay tuned in this space. And yep, that's about it. Good day, and thank you, y'all. Bye bye.